today's business world, email help desks and executives spend most of their time scanning emails for sender's intent and identifying relevant information from data systems to draft a response and attach required documents. The data systems could be customer accounts, supplier queries, documents management systems, and transactional book of records, etc. This is an effort-intensive process with high number of manual touchpoints. This leads to a number of business challenges for example, high average handling time, SLA risks, and cost of quality. EXL's Gen AI-powered smart email solution drives value through data analytics and digital using LLMs, Gen AI, and hence much lesser time is spent on managing email communication. Smart Email is a software-as-a-service SaaS solution which is completely homegrown, including Gen AI and UI components. The interface is designed simplistic and informative to minimize the learning curve for email handlers. As you can see, as soon as an email arrives, it is assigned a unique number or say ticket number, which is used for tracking the emails. Until the email is replied and closed by the email handler, the SLA of the email keeps on ticking. Also, if you see an indicator green and yellow red on the left side of an email that indicates whether email has been responded within 24 hours or 12 hours or not responded. All the emails are also assigned with a user automatically using our rule engines. Now let's have a look at one of the email where query has been raised for provided wrong PO number against this order, and requested to provide the correct PO along with the attachment. To automate this task, we need a lot of information which is actually available in subject, body, and attachment, which will be read by our AI engines and analytical models like large language models and foundational models to depict the intent as PO inquiry, and extract all the informations like PO no, vendor name, which can be utilized by our engines to draft the auto response. Now, in this specific case, as the action cannot be taken immediately, so there would be a delay, so we can simply use the standard template of notify that your complaint has been registered, will solve it shortly, or we can use the generative AI techniques to generate contextual response. In the previous emails, you have seen that auto response was automatically generated. The response template actually can be configured via this self-service interface where you can customize the address subject and the body itself. For example, let's say you want to auto-forward an invoice copy with some specific email body for further scanning. You can stimulate this process by specifying a specific to address. In case you don't want to forward that email to a specific team and just reply to the customer, then you can keep to address as it is and just change the response template. Artificial intelligence is a continuous learning process. Over a period of time, if you observe that system is not giving the right responses and you are seeing new patterns into the data, then you can, or administrator can actually train the system themselves using this Add New Intent screen, where simply copy-pasting the content into the training sample field and pressing the Add Intent button will push this feedback data to training database, which will be used further to fine-tune underlying AI models. This system is capable of integrating with multiple mailboxes. In one of our customers, we have integrated 100+ shared mailboxes, so it becomes a bird's-eye view for underlying mailboxes. How many emails have been received, closed, can be seen on the left top section. Also, it gives you a volumetric information at real time in the middle of screen, and right side it gives SLA view, showing how many emails have been closed but missed the SLA, or as a productive measure how many emails have missed SLA but still not been responded. To know details, simply click to drill down, and supervisor can ask respective email handler to close these emails. If more details are needed, like how many users are in system, how many pending, and how many emails are on hold, what is the average turnaround time, etc., all these information is available as drill downs, and also additionally various other reports have also been added to the system, which can be customized as per the requirements. Take the next step towards streamlining help desk processes. Reimagine your email communications with EXL's Gen AI-powered smart email solution.